I used to think love was about holding on, about fighting harder, about proving something. I thought if I gave more, if I stayed longer, if I tried stronger, it would be enough. But love isn't about losing yourself. It isn't about shrinking to survive someone else's storm. It's about discovering who you are when everything falls apart. Some nights redefine you, some people waving you, some endings reshape you. This isn't a story about what I lost. It's about who I became and was built by love. It's about discovery. Was built by love. It's about who I became. That was built by love.